So when we talk about signals, you guys know that we are the best, right? When we talk about signals, obviously no one can be compared to us. So obviously people will be like, oh, like what type of signals we talk about? So let's go and see what is happening in the free signal group. So this is the free signal group. You see basically here where you see me buy Euro USD here, and I gave the stop loss area here, and I also said add risk here, and it's here, you know, this way you add the risk. You see, boom, so beautiful. That's what happened. This is like our free signal group where basically you see me giving crazy signals like here GBP USD sell bonus signal and giving me. So after, you know, every week I give like free signals here on this group. So if you don't have money, there is the free group. Every week I give free signals. So you guys can click the link in the description below and click there and say free signals. But let's say that you don't want free signals, you don't want to get one signal per week, you want to get signals every single day. Here is a group just for you where you see me giving fire signals every single day. NFP, we have been hitting it like crazy. We have been doing it like crazy. And you guys can basically see right here the entries of the students. You basically see how they are entering it right here. You see crazy entries, just crazy stuff. These are not human stuff. Crazy stuff, crazy things. So guys, I hope I'll see you in the signal group, right? If you don't want to be in a signal group, come in the private in the public group, and then you might get enough with my free signals in order to join my paid signal group. So that's just how it is. What more do you want? So I'll see you in Sophia Fx. I'm telling you, Sophia Fx is the new movement. 2024, we are taking over. There's nothing like Sophia Fx that's gonna happen. It's gonna be fire.